How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do a wrist workout for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Anything to do with the wrist, when we are working it out, we want to make sure that we're bending, either bending down or bending up or twisting. Any exercise is going to be based on those movements. So again, twisting, flexing down, flexing up. So let's get started. First exercise that I love to do is I like to do a wrist down movement to where we're interlocking our hands and then we're going down. So as you can see, we're flexing down our wrist. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. 5-second break. Always need a little rest period just to allow everything to recover. Okay, next workout that we're going to do is we're going to do flexion and down. So we're going to get our wrists just like this and we're going to flex down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And you'll feel it. I can feel it right now in my wrist. Every time you flex down, you can feel it. 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Perfect. 5-second break. Okay, next exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do hammer curls. So this is a flexion down and a flexion up. So again, we're going up, down, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. 5-second break. Okay, the next one that we're going to do is we're going to do a twisting exercise. So we're going to do wrist curls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Go the other way now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 14, 15, perfect. 5-second break. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do flexion down. So again, 1, flexing down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Perfect. So again, make sure when you're picking the exercises, these exercises are really good. They incorporate twisting, they incorporate flexion down and flexion up. So you're going to get a great wrist workout. Just follow the exercises I just did. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.